Hello, hungry folks. Whether you turn this delicious mushroom chorizo skillet into a main dish, a quick dinner, or tapas, it's totally up to you. No matter how you make it, it always tastes amazing. For this, we obviously need chorizo and mushrooms, fresh parsley, seasoned pepper and salt, and some balsamic cream. We'll also need an onion, preferably red, and a few cloves of garlic, some dry white wine, and a splash of lemon juice. To prep, we'll dice the chorizo and slice the peeled onion into half moons and finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Now, heat some oil in a pan, add the chorizo cubes, the sliced onion, and the chopped garlic. Saute everything on high heat, stirring regularly. Then deglaze with half of the white wine. Stir everything, let it simmer briefly, and then take it off the heat. Now heat some oil again, but this time in a slightly larger pan, and add the cleaned mushrooms. Smaller ones can stay whole. It's better to have the larger ones. Saute them in the hot oil for about 7-8 minutes, stirring occasionally, and once they start to brown, press the remaining 2 cloves of garlic. Stir again and keep frying for another 2-3 minutes. Then we pour in the second half of the wine, deglaze with it, and season generously with pepper, and a bit more sparingly with salt. Then we add a few splashes of balsamic cream, and finish it off with a dash of lemon juice. Mix everything together. And now we add the pre-prepared chorizo mixture. Stir thoroughly, turn off the stove, and let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, chop the washed parsley, sprinkle it over, and stir it in. And that's it. We take the pan off the stove and can now enjoy the delicious meal. I serve it with bread, but if you prefer, you can also have potatoes, rice, or pasta with it. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you do too. Have fun preparing it, and bon appetit!